Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we will take a look at how to fix Marvel rival delays or any fixes for FPS drops. Now this is something to do with your NVIDIA graphics driver or your AMD graphics driver or anything with your GPU driver itself. So what we need to do is to make sure that it is optimized to your current usage. Now the first thing that we can go ahead and do is go ahead and open up your AMD or your NVIDIA driver app, something like this, and then make sure that this is up to date. So we're going to go into our driver section right here and then make sure again this is up to date and that you have a game ready driver installed. So not the studio driver, but instead a game ready driver right here. So what that does is it allows you to make sure that you are using the latest optimized feature to use for your game. Another thing that you can actually do is go ahead into your graphics itself and then search for Marvel Rivals. If it is not installed or if it cannot be found, you can just go ahead and refresh. It will go ahead and look for the games that you have. And again, if it is not, then just go ahead. You can go ahead and add that program or add a location to go ahead and take a look at your game itself. Or alternatively, we can go ahead and change the settings directly here in the game itself. So what we need to do is open up the Marvel Rivals game, and then we're going to go into settings right here, and then we're going to click on settings. Now this is where we're going to go ahead and make our few changes. Now the first thing that we can do is to go ahead and check the anti-aliasing and super resolution type is set to your current driver. So if you have an AMD, make sure that is selected. If you have an NVIDIA, then make sure that that is selected as well. Now for super resolution mode, we're just gonna keep it as quality right here. And for the resolution sharpening, we're gonna keep it to default at 80 as well. Now for the low latency mode right here, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, then make sure that you are selecting NVIDIA. If you do not, then you can just keep it at 2 off itself. And then there are a few options like show FPS, network stats. These are all entirely up to you. And if you see the VSync right here, I would highly recommend just turning this off. And if we scroll down, we can go ahead and use this optimized settings. So whatever your PC settings are, it will go ahead and adjust this to how you want it or how it would perform as much as it can to the highest quality, but also not create any delays or FPS drops. But a few things that you can go ahead and do to change things is for the global illumination, you can go ahead and set this to low quality right here. For the reflection quality, we can keep it as screen space reflections, but for the post-processing, let's make it low. Shadow detail, let's make it low. Foliage quality, we'll keep it low. And the effects, we will keep it low. Now go ahead and click enter to apply the changes. And then there you go. It should go ahead and sort out your delays and FPS drops. Now, I hope that you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.